Hiya, has the gloch gone? Oh, mae dath basged got gwasanaeth this morning. This last, dwi'n casau gwasanaeth.
Well, I've got to go to the swyddfa to fill in the form here. I don't see the point. I'm mum now.
I hope you haven't called me in the tannoedd. Wanted to wag bach a lorry of Cymraeg.
Bethany, what are you doing for the Cwng Ysgol Dewi? Canu actio ffrwl a adrodd?
I did adrodd last year. Mae gen I freuddwyd am o wlad. O, oes y tafodau symudol? Helo! Geisiau be? Dwi wedi cael plastig tiwton am fy ffôn. Fy ffôn ar y lôn.
Bethany, cael gag.
Fan hyn!
Have you paid your blind out for the birthday? I'm going to Alton Towers. It beats Casacarlech any day.
Have you done your gwaith cartref, cerddoriaeth, pen papur exam? Can I see a papur stuff which copy of the questionnaire?
Never mind cerddoriaeth, just don't mention hanes to me. Doing casau, Hannah.
Oh, Mr Healy and Cassith Caergwrle. And the papur o holiad was solid.
Cafo fi ddi a pawb arall methu. Catherine, what did you get in your bag tonight? Well, Mrs Roach can't breathe on me, because I've done my gwaith cwrs on Rugby and Gymru, and I've learnt Clymeri off by heart.
And I've watched Gavin and Stacey.
That's not Cymraeg.
Oh, it's set in Barry Island though, isn't it?
Ain't that you looking lush today?
I know I feels it. What's occurring, Stace?
Oh, what's occurring is prawf treigladau. They should be scrapped. You know, I'd be dead good at Cymraeg if those treigladau weren't there. Treiglad Troin or something, it does my head in.
Oh, cracking.
Have you heard about Andy Powell on the golf buggy?
Back in the day, he was my co-driver on the M4.
Paid siarad dwli nes.
Oh!
Fan hyn!
Have you learnt your idioma yet?
Prawf Cyfori, gyda Miss Maxwell.
Gwerio glist I glist.
Be?
Prawf Cyfori o na ddim ffordd. Dros ben Llestri a hen rhag gyda ffen.
Wel, paid cwyno, Bethany. Dwi'n mwynhau Cymraeg. Dwi wrth fy modd yn astudio Cymraeg yn y chweched.
Ond fel ti'n gwybod Bethan, dwi byth yn talk o lot Cymraeg.
Wedi gwella loads o loads.
Dwi'n cytuno gyda ti. Helpodd Glant Lynn lot.
Roedd gwylio ffilm arwer. Gwneud fi mwy passionate am y iaith.
Hoffais I adjon yn Cwngedd Ysgol Dewi.
Cymraeg.
Dim i'n credu I fi wneud dat. A job Cymraeg ar y stage, dwi'n dal mewn sioc.
Dwi wrth y modd efo gerdd Cymraeg.
Dwi'n cytuno gyda ti.
Ble mae Tom?
Fi nos fan hyn, chlafwy Llywelyn, fyffnid a'n gofiaf hyn.
Ynan tywelaf fan hyn, welodd Llywelyn, camodd ar y cerrig hyn.
Fi nos fan hyn, o golwg nesau gelyn. Fi wnaed y cyfan fan hyn.
Roedd fi'n awr fan hyn, lle byw wallt a welltyn, a dafnau o waed fan hyn.
Fan hyn yw ein cof ni. Fan hyn sydd yn adael I ni.
Fan hyn gynnau fi'n geni.
Oh, boys. Roedd hynny'n lyflu.
O, chi wedi gwneud fi'n emotional iawn nawr.
Efallai bod ni'n gallu talk o Cymraeg after all.
Dwi'n meddwl ein bod ni wedi troi'r cornel.
Cymraeg am byth!
Fyffnid a'n gofiaf hyn.